This is an granny apple. It's a lot of fruits. It's not so big because so much fruit, and I make a mistake. I didn't remove some fruits when it was young, but now it's getting big. And I have a very nice one. It's a, we call this bunyong. Oh, it's ripe. I have to pick it. It's no choice. Let's come here with my massive of apple fruits. So much fruits in my apple. I enter in the house. Si Dumal, bakit hindi ka nag-first copy? First copy yun dapat. Alika. Ate. Papa, unlucky Papa, the bunyong, it's ripe, but look, I have to take the seeds, the first one. Look.
But no, it's not unlucky, it's okay. It was eaten by wasp.
Oh, but ripe already, I will cut it so that you can try, yeah? Alika dito, Pat. Take some, ano? Last night, eat a cake. Ay. This is only a decorative banana. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.